Still won't focus on you.
Oh well.
Let's play some putt.
I'm gonna beat your butt.
No, you won't. Yeah. Why won't it focus on your face?
He doesn't like me.
All right. Come on, Apple. Fix your stuff. I'm about to win. Give them the best ever.
Yeah, right.
Greatest ever. Best ever. What?
I beat you already.
No, she's lying. Don't listen to her. All right, so we're on our first hole. I'm gonna be, because I'm gonna beat her at this. But
you can't beat me. I'm just too good.
I'll beat you whenever I want.
Nope.
Don't take that out of context.
FBI, open up!
Oh, turn. Last hole right here. Lining up for the drive.
You tried to copy me and failed. It's okay. Still get it. No, because if I miss this, we're not counting.
Yes, we are.
No. I'll cry myself to sleep tonight.
We are walking in the trail that they have here at the campground. Yeah, Megan with me. Finally, it focuses on her. But pretty sick trail. I mean, goes all the way around the campground. So it's like 1.5 miles. So it's get some cardio in. The forbidden word, cardio. But you already know. Probably halfway through the trail. Had to stop to get some recording in. You already know. Video will be out way before this video goes out. But yeah, took some pictures. Because, you know, greatest couple out there. If it ever focuses on her dang face, holy crap.
Sophie doesn't like me.
But yeah, some daily motivation for you guys. No matter what the weather is, no matter how tired you are, you gotta get stuff done. Because it's gonna be worth it in the end. This is just terrible. Holy crap. Someone buy me a very expensive camera that I don't know how to work, and just so I can do this instead of my phone. Just kidding. That's a lot of money. But yeah, this trail is beautiful. You guys, if you guys don't do this, you need to go do this. Go out to any forest. Just go walk some trails. It's very
hike, touch some grass.
Yeah, touch some grass. Because, you know, you gotta be with God's creation. Look at this. It's beautiful. Look at it. If it ever focuses. But, you know. But yeah, it's great stuff. Just it's great to breathe it in, actual nice air instead of crappy city air, because I stuff's crap. And but yeah, so just take time in, breathe in. You even talk, just talk about whatever. You do it by yourself or with your significant other or family. I guess whatever you want. But it's definitely great for mental health, I will say.
What are you doing? Turn it off.